everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on pipelines will provide you with the necessary information on creating pipeline objects and incorporating them into your project. This tool creates 3D pipelines along a user-defined path. The output of a created pipeline operation is either a group of SIMmetry objects or two-point layers, one for the pipes and second for the connectors, which can be saved to local data sources and loaded as a streaming or entire layer. Now let us begin by going over where the Create Pipeline tool is accessible. To access the Create Pipeline tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Objects tab, then in the 3D group, click on 3D Objects and select Pipelines. The Create Pipelines tool is displayed. To create pipeline objects, select the Create As option. The available options are Group, Layer Entire, and Layer Streaming. Selecting Group will create a group with objects. The Layer Entire will create a feature layer, and selecting the Layer Streaming will create a streaming feature layer. Next, we will set the following parameters: pipeline diameter, pipe color, and the visibility distance of the object. Then finally, select a method to designate the power line created. These methods include follow line, selected group, and from clipboard. The follow line method creates pipelines along a line by clicking in the 3D window on desired locations to place the line waypoints. Then once the waypoints have been placed, right-click to finish the object. The selected group method will create pipelines along all polylines in a selected group or layer. And finally, from the clipboard is the last method, and that will create the pipelines along a clipboard object. We went over how to create pipeline objects and where it is accessible. This concludes the tutorial on pipelines. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.